Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best fragrance dusting powders that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video! Starting at number 5, we have the Herb & Root Talc-Free Vanilla Powder. Herb & Root Vanilla Powder offers a delightful way to stay fresh and dry throughout the day. With its silky texture, this talc-free body powder absorbs moisture while enveloping you in a warm vanilla scent. The natural ingredients, including magnesium, effectively combat sweat and odors, providing you with confidence. Soothing oats help calm any skin irritations, making this powder gentle enough for sensitive areas. Versatile in its use, you can apply it on your body, shoes, or even your pets, ensuring comfort and freshness no matter where you are. Moving on, at number 4 we have the Evyan White Shoulders Bath Powder for Women. White Shoulders Powder by Evyan is a must-have staple from the White Shoulders fragrance line. This bath powder for women creates all-over freshness after a bath or shower. Its lightness makes it perfect for daily use, and its exotic scent is ideal for an evening out. The powder features classic floral notes including gardenia, lilac, and amber. You can wear it alone or with the perfume for a lasting, feminine fragrance. Simply use the soft powder puff applicator and dust your body powder lightly around your neck, wrists, inner elbow, or any other place you would typically apply spray perfume. With White Shoulders powder, you'll enjoy the confidence of feeling fresh and smelling great all day long. At number 3, we have the Wind Song Dusting Powder by Prince Matchabelli. The Wind Song by Prince Matchabelli is a delightful dusting powder designed for adults who enjoy a feminine fragrance. Its unique blend features floral notes complemented by fruity and green undertones, finishing with a subtle hint of musk and amber. This combination creates a refreshing scent that can uplift your mood throughout the day. The powder form makes it easy to apply, providing a light and airy feel on your skin. You can enjoy the convenience of a long-lasting fragrance while keeping your skin soft and smooth. At number 2, we have the R-NEU Talc-Free Body Powder. The R-NEU Body Powder offers great value with 2 5-Oz packs designed for women's use. You'll enjoy the soothing comfort of this talc-free formula that keeps your skin feeling soft and dry. The included plush powder puff makes application a breeze, allowing you to dust the powder on without any mess. Plus, its lightweight design means you can easily take it with you wherever you go, whether on trips or simply stored in your purse. This body powder is a thoughtful gift choice for special occasions like Mother's Day or Valentine's Day. And finally, at number 1, we have the Camelie Beckman Tuscan Honey Body Powder. The Camelie Beckman Honey powder is a talc-free body powder made from potato and cornstarch, which helps absorb moisture and keep your skin feeling dry and fresh. Its soothing herbal extracts calm your skin, making it ideal for sensitive or irritated areas. The scent is a rich blend of warm amber, soft vanilla, and sweet honeycomb, offering a pleasant fragrance that can brighten your day. This powder is perfect for hot weather, daily use, or even to freshen up shoes. Simply shake some into your hand and apply it wherever you tend to sweat or feel discomfort for a refreshed, fragrant feel. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.